I'm Laura McMann, the Executive Chef here at Bethlehem Area School District. This month we're excited to feature our Korean beef rice bowl. I wanted to walk you through the dish. We're going to start with our brown rice, a little Korean beef. The dish will feature some egg for some additional protein, some nice crunch from some diced cucumber. We also are going to introduce the students to a kimchi. This is a fermented cabbage salad. Has a little white vinegar, sugar, sriracha, and just our carrot and our cabbage shredded. Also, we're going to add to the dish a little iron, a little bright steamed fresh spinach here. And this is our spicy sriracha sauce. We'll do a drizzle and sprinkle a little crunch green onion. So let's build the dish. A nice portion of rice, our Korean beef, and then we're going to add our nice julienne strips of egg, a little crunch of our cucumber, our kimchi. If you make this at home, you want to let it sit for about 3 hours. Get this cabbage soft, bring all the flavor together. Our nice wilted spinach. Our sriracha drizzle. And then a little green onion to top it for that crunch. And there you have our Korean beef rice bowl. Enjoy.